A couple of weeks ago, I hosted Kim here in my studio. She had 6 students. I had 3 long arm frames set up with 2 students at each frame with a space to quilt, practicing with the rulers, and everybody had an absolutely phenomenal time. Kim is a high energy teacher. She uses lots of examples. She has a great PowerPoint presentation that goes along with this so that she can show you lots of examples of ruler work and all of the awesome things that you can do with the rulers. She bounces back and forth between some training where she explains how to use the rulers and some of the techniques and draws them out for you so that you can see exactly what you're going to where you're trying to go with what she's talking about. And then you go to the frame and you actually practice with the ruler so that you can learn the technique and how to use that ruler and with some actual design things. So she gives you like little work, this is exactly what I want you to do. Draw this out in the space with the ruler. So it's not just free flow for you. She gives you a little exercise so that you can actually practice the technique with that particular ruler. So she works you through a number of the rulers that you have purchased for the class so that you learn how to use each one of those rulers, starting with a straight line ruler and working through the different curved rulers that you get with a set. So when the class was done here a couple of weeks ago, it was amazing at the end of the day, and it was time for people to leave. They'd been here all day. Everybody just kind of sat down and just chatted. They were in no hurry to leave. So everyone had a great time. They really enjoyed having Kim for a teacher. And I had several emails from the students afterwards, and Kim got some emails from them on how much they enjoyed having the class and how much they enjoyed learning how to use rulers. One of the gals she said, I really stink at rulers. She said, I have no idea what I'm doing. And she came and she went home with the confidence to actually use the rulers that she had, along with rulers that she had at home. So it's a confidence builder, and it's learning the skills, and it's learning some ideas and how you can use those rulers to create designs.